What's up, y'all? We back with another one. Today we got a 2010 Lincoln Navigator. Got no Expedition, baby. We got the Navigator. This is navigating. This is luxury. Look at that. This is 2010. See, you got the front sensors on there. You can hear it running. Let me be quiet. Yeah. Y'all hear that? Got the LED headlights. Got the 20 somethings on there. Some 20s on there. Got the chrome mirror covers. Look at the steps. The steps are good to go. Ooh, y'all see that? All right, so we in here. We in the dough. Got the power seats, of course. Got the leather all the way around. Go on here. Y'all some little extra your digs. Okay, so we got the navigation now. Remember now, this is 2010, so we got 2010 technology. I know this is kind of standard now in 2023, but 2010, this was it right here. So anyway, we got the rear climate, passenger climate, main climate, control the rear, traction control. This controls the rear door. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. You guys can see it open in the back there. All right, this also has, excuse me, 4-wheel drive, automatic 4-wheel drive, and 4x2, which is regular. And this is for your info. We'll talk about that when we get to the driver's side. Got the classic clock, sunroof. Hey man, the sunglass holder, I was cleaning it and it just broke, like just 5 minutes ago. I'm upset about it too. Sunroof works. Y'all know how I love them sunroofs. All right, what else we got? Of course, got the cup holders. Got your plug for your USB over here. Open this thing up. Got the USB and your aux right there. Currently got my phone plugged in and charging. All right, got the cup holders. Got plenty of cup holders in here. Those for the rear. Step out. That's the rear side, the rear door. All right, now this one did not come with captain chairs. Someone, I'm assuming the previous owner took the middle chair out just to give it easier access to the rear, the third row. It does have the DVD. It does work, as you see. It powers on, but right now, who really has a DVD? So then you got your rear climate up here, leather. It folds down. Oh, let me do this. Hit the headrest first. Come on. Trying to practice this. There we go. Hit the headrest first. Fold it down with the lever. Come on, Chris. Just pull that up right there. That's how you access your third row. There are the headsets for the DVD entertainment. You can see the speakers at the top, so it's pretty cool. I got the vents open in the rear. Got some more cup holders back here. One on this side, 2 on that side for the 60-40 split. Got the lights up there. Fold that down. Pick this up. Fold it all the way down. And once these seats fold down, you have a flat bed. So that's cargo mode for that. Lift that up. Pop that up. Get back. Some regular seats. It's going around the back. So here we are in the back. We got the power folding third row seats. I'm gonna fold one of them just so y'all can see. And that folds down like that. You can see all the way through the rear. Tailgate, power tailgate. Just hit the little button right here. Gives the alert. You don't get your head out the way, man, because you don't want to get hit, man. All right. Power running boards on this side as well, of course. Got the Navigator in the wood grain. This is the same thing. Here's your rear controls. Got heated seats for the rear. So the rear got heated seats. Control your temperature up here. You got to turn it on and off from up there. And you got the 12-volt plug in right there. What else? All right, the main side, the driver's seat. Let's get on up in here. All right, this thing got, I ain't gonna tell them because I got doors open. 264,000 miles. And about 10,000 of them miles is mine. I ain't gonna even front. About 10,000 of them things is mine. I've been driving this thing and I've been enjoying it. Because the people who know me know I really like Lincoln Navigators. But the other vehicle I purchased was the Durango. It's ready for sale. I mean, it's ready to get picked up. So this one's gotta go, man. It's gotta go. I can't love it forever, man. I got too many cars at the house, so it's gonna go. You see no check engine lights, no nothing like that. Let me close this roof so we can see the info system. Close that shade, there we go. So it is faded, but as you see, it's playing. I'm listening to
that shit, and we'll do it for the
Joe Budden podcast. All right. Fan works. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. I don't know what else more to tell y'all, man. Let me go ahead and get my pictures. Then we're gonna go on this test drive. All right, y'all, we here getting ready to do the test drive, and I just want to give y'all, you know, brief overview on the inside. So this is the info side for the info. So if I press the info button, you can see it goes through. So 7,867 miles from last trip reset. Miles to empty. Average miles per gallon is 14 miles, which is pretty good. That gives you the actual accurate measure. It's a timer, and then that's off. All right, so we got all the gauges here. Your battery, fuel is at a quarter tank. Coolant is right under the halfway. Oil pressure is right above half. As you see, the radio does work. Control the volume and everything from right here. We're up there. This is your cruise control on this side. Power windows, power lock, folding power mirrors on this right here. I always think that's pretty cool. Turn the LEDs on so y'all can see they blink in the mirror. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm gonna have to window down. The tint don't help me. It's bright outside. It's blinking right there. All right, so we got that. But enough of my yakking. Excuse me. Let's get to the action. Let the window up. The window up. It's still warm, man. Y'all believe it still is warm in the beginning of October, man? It's still like 80-something degrees down there. So this thing does have air ride suspension. It works. It is actually fairly new. It's only a year old. I know this because the previous owner told me, actually. He told me where it was done at. It was done at a Ford dealership in Elizabeth, Kentucky, I believe it was. So that's good, man. I trust this thing to go something everywhere. But enough of me talking. Let me turn around so y'all can see. You know how the test drive go. Stop. Take off. Gonna go over a bump. No rattle, rattle, thunder, clatter, boom, boom, boom. Turn that volume down. So we up to 40. Go over some of these bumps. Takes it like a champ, man. You got a little air ride suspension. Because when it's working, it works well. And I'll take this route because it gives you opportunity to speed up, go over a gang of bumps, because I know this road is bumpy, and go through some winding, twisting turns. You can get up to speed, you gotta stop at stop signs around the corner, all that. So when we get to the stop sign, I'm gonna go ahead and close this vent in the back. So here's the stop sign. No braking issue. No wheel shake. This is for that vent that's in the rear right here. And they're closed. There's no ticking. Yes, it does have a 5.4 V3, I believe, version 3 Triton engine. But this one is good. It's been very well taken care of. I have driven this thing to Florida numerous times, Chicago. I did a whiskey tour in Tennessee in this thing with every seat full back there. Never had an issue. Never had an issue. Took it like a champ. Pause. Go through the little thing. So when we get on this other street, I'm gonna get it up to speed. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera because there's no need of y'all listening to me ramble on, trying to fill up space while we go on this little test drive. But if you come see it, this is mainly the test drive you're gonna drive it on. That right there was for those of you who like, oh, take it on the highway, take it on the highway, man. I don't always have time to take cars all the way to the highway, man. So there you go. I got it up to highway speed, and you can hear it shift through all the gears, man. So this is Chris at McMath Autos. Come purchase this 2010 Lincoln Navigator, man. Take it off my hands, man. It needs to go, man. I can't have it no longer. I done had it way too long. I done had way too much fun with it. I done drove everybody around in it, and it's your turn to have it, man. Chris at McMath Autos. McMath Autos on all major platforms. You can reach us at 404-719-8355. You can call or you can text. If we don't answer, you can leave a message. Peace.